Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas. Let me start with happy Navratri to all. So this is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for budding managers like you all. So today I will be share some tips and tricks related to how to negotiate a conflict of opinion which can happen anywhere, be at your office, be at your family, or with the friends. If one happens to encounter disagreement, that our aim should not be to change the other person belief. Instead, it is a time and place to start a negotiation. So if sometimes you fail to change the other people minds or behavior, this will help you to stay calm on your end till the conflict. In every relationship, personal or professional, there will be always some disagreement. You will never find an environment where people always agree to your thoughts and action and that can understand each other. That's the fantasy, not reality. Number one, then look beyond your own triggers. Many disagreements stem from someone being triggered by something that has been said. What triggered is usually fear and awareness of one's limitation. Whatever may have happened in the past, you have to find a way to get past your trigger and see that you are in a new situation with a person who doesn't mean you harm. Want to engage, it is useless to engage in certain debates. It is highly unlike that you are going to change a person's mind if he's adamant to do that. If he still refuses to wear a face mask during this pandemic, and that too after repeated reminder by our honorable prime minister, you can't do anything. They are simply not worth it. Then listen first before engaging. If you don't start with an open ear, you have to lost your opponent. Is the key to listen to the other person enough to get to know them in a authenticated way of listening and allow other person to chance to cool down. Then try awareness and with a pause. When a person is feeling challenged, he the natural reaction is to fight or maybe in the freeze mode, but one can tackle the disagreement with insight, intuition, inspiration, creativity, vision, purpose, integrity, and you have to tame your ego. Then black and white thinking, we should not be saying that you are with us or against us. Don't have the belligerent approach and always refrain from it. Then deep breath. Always take a deep breath before arriving at a nasty decision or to see is there is a creative solution to this. Explore all the alternatives before closing down. Don't try to prove them wrong. At the point of disagreement is not is a win, but to start a negotiation, especially in the heated disagreement relating to the office environment. It is easy to start making accusation, laying blame, and making excuses. To work through it, you have to be honest with yourself and take the full responsibility of your own feelings and behavior and for your interpretation that may have contributed to the breakdown. No one wants to be called by names or to be called out in a negative way or hear all the bad things that they have done in the past. Obviously, if you are speaking in negative, you will hurt the person and shut them down. If you can bring positivity to the agreement, what you are trying to say, it is far more likely that you will be heard and that the disagreement can be resolved more amicably, quickly, and easily. Disagreement are a way of life, but they don't have to cause a havoc. Try these techniques and work out faster, better, quicker, and simpler. No one wants to be called by names or to be called out in a negative way, as I told earlier. Then, what we need to be done? You need to be done plain speaking that you will not hurt any person's feeling and shut them down. And it is upon you to how to create those positivity atmosphere through which you can bridge the differences gap between the opinion calmly or openly and when appropriate. How both feel about that. Sharing your feeling isn't just a touchy feeling exercise. It actually can disarm any defensive or hostile walls that are barrier to the good communication. Realize that there is a great potential to learn from each other's mistake. Consider this experience a learning one that will serve you well down the road. Be prepared to forgive the other person. If he wins with his opinion, then don't worry and be forgiving. And you can't will all the times and close conversation with a good laugh or a good smile. So friends, if you like my thoughts, give a huge thumbs up to my channel, share it, subscribe it. Till we meet next time, bye for now. Thank you.